Hey everybody, Damien with Southpaw Designs, and today we're going to look at this simple little jig that should be in everybody's wood shop. Heck, it should be in everybody's junk drawer. It's very easy to make. I stumbled across it and decided to try to make it myself on my CNC. So I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to give you the downloadable file if you'd like to do it on your CNC. And also, we're going to test it out and see how it actually does. So let's jump right in. So the perfect hold down method for a simple little project like this is a little CA glue and tape. So let's go ahead and use that. And you don't even have to create this project on a CNC. As long as you measure it correctly, this is something that you could do as a simple little shop project with any type of woodworking tools. So I go ahead and cut it out. And it's at that point that I realize, I'd really like for it to be a little bit longer. So we take it off and I think, that's kind of small. So just back to the drawing board, I expand it out to about 8 inches and recut. I'm not going to put you through all that process because it's fairly straightforward. All right, and from there, what should happen is we line up the bracket and then make a mark, and then we just simply rotate it around and do the same thing. And once we make a couple of marks, it should find center, assuming that your project is a perfect circle and that you've actually made the jig correctly, which I realized that I did something wrong and I had to go back and remake it. So let's go ahead and fix that and then come back.
A few minutes later.
Also, take a quick second, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. That tells me that you enjoyed this content, that it's valuable to you. It also tells YouTube that this content is valuable and encourages YouTube to publicize it and push it out more. So it's a simple design. All that you really have to have is, I made it out of a piece of 1/2-inch plywood, and I just simply cut this entire pocket out and then cut a profile path, which you'll see in the actual downloadable file. And so what happens is you just press the triangle, you press the bracket up against the base, and you just mark your lines wherever you need to, and you'll notice that it stays very close to center. Now it does seem to get off a little bit right there, and so I wonder if maybe this is not cut absolutely circular, because when we did it on our paste wax, you'll notice that it is dead center all the way around. So it could have been an imperfection right here in the actual cut of this wood. But it's a very simple design. I like it, and I'll keep it around. So once again, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you got something good out of this.